your left blinker, your right blinker, and your license plate lamp. License plate lamp has two Phillips head screws in there. We're gonna remove those. There's one. Oh. There's the second one. Okay, we're gonna just put this off to the side for now. Okay, so now we have the left blinker. There's this little metal plate. This is rubber, and then that metal plate, you're gonna pop that metal plate out. Hold on to this, don't lose this. And then this is rubber, so this you could pull it, you could push it and kind of maneuver it a little bit, and then boom. Pop that right out. Here's your plastic piece. Nothing left on it. Here's your left blinker. So now you're gonna take your tidy tail and your left blinker, put the wire through the first hole, and then you're gonna squeeze that rubber piece in there. So that you get it started the best you can, and then maybe take the screwdriver and kind of work it the rest of the way in. There you go, that's one side. So you got the blinker, just the rubber piece snapped in. So now you're gonna take that little metal bracket that kind of secures it tight. You're gonna slide that over. Oop. You're gonna slide that over. Go back on the inside here. It's kind of tough to see. And then just pop that metal bracket in there. So now there's your bracket with the left blinker. Now we're going to take this, we're going to get our right side bracket out. This one actually still has the screw. Somebody must have changed that left one once upon a time. Pop that screw out, pop this plate out. Oh, this whole, look at that. So that other side's been messed with before because we didn't have this bracket on there. So there's this. So we're actually missing a piece on the other side. There's your right side blinker. Here's your license plate lamp. We'll slide that out. And we're gonna take these rubber bushings. We need these rubber bushings. Oh shoot. Oh wow, that's in there good. Okay. We got those two rubber bushings. There's nothing left on this piece. Here is my license plate lamp and my right side blinker. So now we're going to take our bracket, feed the wire through, and we're going to get this. Okay, get it started the best you can, and then just take the screwdriver and oh dang. This side's really being a pain in the neck. Okay. That one was tight. Okay. We got the other side on. We got the right side blinker. So we're going to take that other little bracket. Pop that on there. Oh, I put it backwards. This one actually has the bracket to pinch it. The left side was missing it. It must have been replaced once upon a time. Nope, I didn't have it backwards. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Duh. Dang. This one's tight. Try this hook tool to get that rubber lip over there. Holy shoot. Okay. Okay. We got that. Now we have that other little bracket that sandwiched it in there. Put that back together. Okay. Got the 2 blinkers on. Now we could do the license plate lamp. So that's when we're going to take those 2 rubber pieces. Man. These are going to be tight. These are going to be hard to get in here. Oh, sorry guys.